So our next colleague, Dr. May Hayet and Filipina. Our guest, barangay official, our day teachers, classmates, parents, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is without much joy and pride that I welcome all of you to our moving up ceremony. I would like to thank to our Almighty God for giving us a wonderful opportunity to celebrate this big amazing milestone in our young life. Once again, in behalf of the kindergarten class of 2023-2024, I welcome you all to our moving out ceremony. Thank you very much and God bless us all.
Yay!
Thank you so much, Nathaniel, for welcoming us all. Okay? So,